Let's start. Online team, is my voice is clear? Online team, can I get a response? Yeah, fine. Let's move on. Kind update. If anyone didn't join on last week Saturday, right? Saturday session, kindly you guys need to walk through. I have shared a recorded link actually. Kindly please walk through that. And on last week, I have seen just now in Telegram, few guys are unable to get the link. I'm wondering what happened. Let me check it out again. Okay, fine. So currently the running topic name is called as a data visualization. What is the topic name, sir? Data visualization. Part number 1 is done. And today we are going to start part number 2. Please focus, important. 26. Did we install any other thing? No, right? But till now, we should be small. Are you done EDA project? Everyone, please. Please, you have to do. If you're not done, kindly please do that one. That literally helps you actually. Can I close this one? We done this. Now we are going to continue. The upcoming topic is NumPy. That is a like a pandas library. I would like to say the next topic is a NumPy. So there are, it won't take much time. Just on an average 2 sessions actually. The first one is NumPy introduction. And we'll move on. Good. So let me just try to open part number 1. Good. From the part number 1, what are all important topics will be? Keep in mind that I will just try to make a note. These are all very, very important. You should not ignore this. Sir, box plot is very, very important. I know I kept hold actually. Why? Because during math I can cover. Next one is scatter plot is very, very important. Pie chart is okay. And histogram, bar chart, these two are very, very important. Line chart also very, very important. That's it. So 3, these 5 topics. These are all damn important actually. Keep in mind that. Are you getting? If anyone didn't attend last week, actually, we already covered last 3 topics. Kindly please walk through in Telegram link. I have shared the link actually. Okay. So I request you, you guys need to watch. And I can give a guarantee today topic you can easy to understand, even if you missed out last week's session. I made it like a 2 parts, sir. Maybe there is no 2 parts. Don't Google it like a data visualization part 1 and part 2. I just made it like a for your better understanding. Now, data visualization part number 2. Here, what we are going to understand is interesting. First one is what exactly? Talk with me. Titanic introduction. Yes, you are reading right. So, Titanic means a kind of some Titanic movie. You know, right? Yeah, good. Now, I hope everyone knows about this one. First of all, let me explain about. Can somebody talk with me? What are all data sets I have shared with you till now? What are all data sets I have shared with you? First one is a These are all our data sets. These are all what exactly? Our data sets. What are all data sets actually? Sales 1 dot csv. Next one is sales 2 dot csv, and keep on like this. Sales 8 or sales 7 also. Sales, come again, 11 dot csv. These are all our data sets we created actually. I mean, Daniel created. Now, let me tell you, you need to understand few more things actually. What is that one? Public data sets. What is that one, sir? Public data sets. Public means these are all freely available over internet. Tell me one more time. Freely available over internet. First of all, you need to understand why these data sets came to the industry. Why these data sets? And there are a few more questions. How these came? How these data sets came actually? Data sets came, and what is the purpose? What is the purpose? And these are all things. Let me give a small idea. One of the today public data set name is a Titanic data set. What data set, sir? Titanic data set. Are you getting everyone? I mean to say that like a sales 1, sales 2, sales 3, these are all we created actually. But there is a one public data set. Public data set means it is freely available over internet actually. Let me tell you, sales 1.csv, that is not freely available. Only you can get from what exactly? Nourish IT. That is not a public data set. But Titanic data set would you have? I will open what Titanic data set can contain. Now, let me tell you. Assuming that there is a creator, look at me. I'm telling the reason how these data sets came into the market actually. One of the public data set name is called as what exactly, sir? Titanic data set. Now it's a right time. I just need to explain about, hey Daniel, how these data sets came into the market. Initially, in a olden days, the creator of data science libraries, data science is slowly picking up, and these are all libraries are really booming up actually. Slowly by slowly the data sets has picking up actually. Then suddenly, creator, what he thought, let me get, please focus this, let me check with all companies. Check with what exactly? All top MNC companies actually. Top MNC companies, either they will give data set or not. Best example, there is a company name is called as what exactly? Google. The creator, I mean to say that the one who created all data science library, like a team members, they call to Google company, and they're asking, we created such a nice data science library. By using this one, we can visualize the data, we can apply data visualization, we can apply data analysis, we can create a model. Can you share your data set with me? These guys asked actually. Let me ask a question. So and so team, on an average 10 members actually. Suddenly they call to Google CEO, and they're asking data set actually. Will they give? Talk with me freely. Will they give? No. Best example, sir. You are having company. You don't know me. I call you, sir. I'm expecting data scientist. So I'm expecting. Can you give me your company files actually? No one never gives, sir. Then Google company rejected. All other companies rejected. But these guys need some data sets to prove their technology, their library is really good actually. Then what these guys done, in this total world, let us take a scenarios. Who knows everyone? Let us take a Titanic data set, Titanic movie. Everyone knows, right? Now these guys, collected a Titanic data set. What exactly, sir? Titanic data set, and then analysis. Then what exactly? Analysis. What kind of analysis today we are going to see? And then data visualization also. Data what exactly? Visualization also. Then these guys shared the results to this whole over the world. Then Google company started using these guys library. All other companies are started using these libraries actually. That's the motto. Did you understand? Good. Now what is the public data set name, sir? Talk with me. Titanic data set. I hope you understand. Let us continue. I hope I no need to give a small introduction about the Titanic movie. But anyway, let me give a small quick introduction. Is everyone joined today? Online team, I hope my voice is clear. I'm moving on to the discussion. So the Titanic was unknown, the Titanic was known, unsinkable ship was the largest. That is the very biggest ship everyone knows actually, and most luxurious passenger ship. So unfortunately, so and so day, it was, killing over many people while just a few people got survived actually. Let me tell you, there are few people started in a Titanic. Let us take on an average 1,000 members, assuming that. Imagine, suddenly something happened. It was hitted over, a kind of some, yeah, iceberg actually. Then unfortunately, it was a shaky moment. Do you think all guys survived? No. Yeah, good. Let us just try to take this one. Interesting. Assuming that this is the Titanic ship, total 1,000 members. How many members actually? Total 1,000 members. Suddenly, so some unfortunately, it was some sinkable moment happened. It is started sinking actually. Then out of 1,000 members, let me tell you, X members got survived. How many members? X members. X members what exactly? Survived actually. Let me tell you, instead of X member, I can tell 300 members, sir. How many members? 300 members survived actually. Survived. Am I right? Now, I mean to say that 700 members, what exactly happened, sir? Gone. Khatam, actually. I'm sorry for saying. Yeah, I mean, they died, unfortunately. Now, here onwards, we are going to understanding the analysis why they unable to survive. Why they unable to, sir, there is a reason. There is a reason. I mean to say that how 300 members, on what basis they survived? What is their ticket? What is their seat actually? I mean, are they belongs to royal family or else normal family? That kind of analysis we are going to do. Truth actually. This is the truth behind of this data set. Right. You are seriously. Are you interesting? Yeah, let me show you. We are going to see practically. Let's do analyze the Titanic data set. Let's do analyze what exactly? Titanic data set. Now we are going to working with one more library. Library name is called as a Seaborn. What is a library? Seaborn. Seaborn is an advanced to data visualization library. By using this one, we can visualize the data. Simple, sir. Initially the basic library is a matplotlib, and for that one the advanced library is a Seaborn. Right. Environment setup easy. We have to install pip install Seaborn. Let me uninstall and let me install in front of you. Pip uninstall Seaborn. I'm trying to uninstalling because for the previous batches I might have installed. I just wanted to install in front of you. Previously 0.13 version I have installed actually. Now let me install. Help me how to install. Everyone should know how to install being a data scientist actually. Please pip install Seaborn. Yeah. Version number by default you don't need to specify. Now yeah, it is being getting installing. Now yeah, 0.13 only. 0. What exactly, sir? 0.13 only. Yeah, let's move on. Now please focus. All right, let's move on. Now let me tell you what is the library name. Talk with me. Import Seaborn as SNS. Can you help me matplotlib importing actually? Import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Now today I'm going to help you import Seaborn as a Seaborn where and aliasing it what exactly, sir? SNS. That is a popular name. Something like import pandas as a PD, right? Import matplotlib.pyplot as a PLT. Same thing like that. The Seaborn, the very famous alias name is a SNS. What is that one? SNS actually. Good. Now let me tell you what they done. Inside the Seaborn, please look at this one. Interesting. Inside the Seaborn, they already loaded the data set, and inside the Seaborn, there is one function. Function name is called as a load underscore data set. What is the function name, sir? Talk with me one more time. For that function, if you are providing the name, just name, .csv is not required. Then that name is a Titanic actually. What is that name? Titanic. You know what? This function itself directly written the data frame. This function itself directly written what exactly? Sir, you know why data frame? If it is a data frame, you can apply lot of operations. I hope you know what are all operations you can apply actually. All pandas operations you can apply. Did you understand? I need a response. Are you getting? Most of the members out of 100, 98 members this line work. 98 members actually. There may be a chance 2 members, it may be break actually, then you need to update your library. Yeah, let me just try to run this example. Get ready. And I would like to execute all the examples in Notepad plus plus. All right, come on sir, import Seaborn as SNS. Good. Now df equals to SNS dot load and load data, right? Load underscore data set. Data set or data sets actually? Data set. And here you need to write a Titanic. Titanic actually. Dot CSV not required. That point you need to understand. What is not required? Dot CSV is not required. Then done, sir. Now let us just try to print the df. Now save this example. Demo1.py. Programs. Let me run this one. Py. Now just try to see this one. Very good. It is taking some time. It is trying to hitting the server actually. Now please observe this one. What you need to understand, that's what I'm telling. Here, name of the file. First of all, this is not the name of the file we are providing as a path actually. This file is already inbuilt in a Seaborn library. Come on, are you with me? Right, I mean to say that df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. Here we need to provide name of the file. What is the file name? Sales1.csv. If this file is not available, what is the error? That's good, you already told actually. But here don't expect the file not found error. Why? Because this file we are just asking, hey Seaborn library, with you already there is a data set. That data set name is a Titanic actually. Get that file name and give a data frame. Give what exactly? Then it is giving the data frame automatically. Now this is the data frame, sir. Now we are going to working with this data set actually. How many rows? 891. How many columns? We'll see. These are all data set. The first one is a survived column, P class, gender, age, SIB, SP, parch, fair. What is the last one? Alone. We'll see. This data set, let us just try to understand actual. Now Titanic data set understanding. Not all columns are important. Please focus. Let's understand the Titanic data set. Data set column description. Sir, being a data scientist, whenever you are working with any data science project, understanding name of the columns, that too there are few columns, very, very important. You should have an idea which data set having the unique values, which data set having the continuous values, which data set having string value, something like a categorical data. These are all things actually. Guys, are you getting? Come on. The first one is a P class. First one is what exactly? What do you mean by P class, sir? Come again? Passenger class. Have you ever traveled a train actually? First of all, have you anyone traveled in Titanic? All right. At least ship actually. Let me ask online. Sir, anyone traveled ship actually? No one is not responding. One person is telling I was in Titanic data set, sir. Congrats, sir. Oh, good. Srikan sir. Sriram sir traveled actually. Very good. All right. Let's move on. Now let us take a, instead of that one, let us take a train, like a first class, second class, sleeper, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, something like that. Next one. Why these glasses? Any idea? Exactly. Based on what exactly? Price, fair, comfortable. There are some few, I will show you. There are few royal families actually. They will travel in a first class. And you know what? Can I tell? What is the heroine name? Rose actually. Yeah, am I right? And the hero name? Jock actually. Hero belongs to which class? Any idea? Exactly, sir. Third class actually. That's what he didn't survive. Frankly speaking. Today we are going to show you practically. Hero in which class? First class, sir. What class actually? First class. Madam is in first class actually. Sir is in third class. Good. Survived. I mean to say that if I say survived, there are two values actually. What are all values? Talk with me, sir. 0 or 1. Sir, 0 means let us take a one person. Look at me. Let us take a one person. And so that person entered into the Titanic ship. And the survival, 0 means no, sorry. From that disaster, he didn't survive. 1 means survived actually. Next one, name, gender, type of gender, either male or female, kind of some 6 column. Next one is the age. These are all you can walk through, but not all columns are important, sir. You can kindly please walk through actually. Are you ready? Yeah. Now let's move on. We'll see. These are all column names one by one individually. We can understand actually. Good. What is this one? Talk with me. What is that one? Functional method. One more time. Functional method. Very good. Let us just try to apply. Here, df dot shape attribute. I just wanted to know how many rows and how many columns. Then we can get it. Yeah, 891. And next one is what exactly? 15 column. 15, what exactly? Columns actual. Nice. Can I print all name of the columns? How to print actually, sir? Columns and dot to underscore list also you can give. Then we used to get a kind of list of all name of the columns. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Can I print one by one? Tell me, print column in df dot columns and print of colm. Sorry. Just try to see. Name of the columns one by one we are going to see. Sir, sorry. Didn't save it actually. Red symbol indicates to you didn't save the example. Previous output only you came and click on this one. This is the save symbol. Now run this one. You can check this. Yeah, you can see these are all name of the column from survive to alone. Alone means either bachelors or else couple, married. These are all married actually. Either they entered or we'll see. These are all right. Can somebody talk with me? Info means information. Functional method, how can you say? We are calling by using, very important. I hope you understand the pattern. Wherever you go, functions, methods, these are all very important actually. Let me just try to call this one. Come on, in front of you. Can I write one more time actually? I need your help, sir. Tell me. Import cborn as sns df equals to sns dot load underscore data set. And here what I need to write? Do you think titanic dot csv? Do you think titanic dot csv? No. Now let us just try to print this one. And we are getting, yeah, info method. Let us just try to call df dot what exactly? Info method. Interesting analogy we are going to see. Sir, lot of things we can find out here actually. Please observe this one. Come on, total how many? What first one is? What is object type? Sir, tell me, sir. First, what is the data type? Data frame. And how many rows actually? 891. And entries 0 to 890 actually, and including index. Total how many columns? 15. 891, 891, 891, 891. There is a column. What is a column? Having, yeah, that you need to catch. Having what exactly? Missing value. You need to understand like that. Now next one. This one, no missing value, no missing value. And here what exactly, sir? There are some missing value. And what is embarked? You guys need to walk through previously. Here embarked is available, right? Now just try to come here. Maybe that stays or yeah. Port of embarked. I mean, there are some certain stages actually. You can enter into that one. It's a kind of some port. Class 891, 891, 891. What is this one, sir? Decker. There are some missing data. What data? Missing data. Conclusion of the story. Yes, we do have some missing values. We do have what exactly? Missing values. How to find out? Very good. Column wise, how to find out? Is n a dot sum. Can we do that one? Yeah, come on. Now just try to observe this one. Sir, seems to be, I'm not taking any running notes. 1 minute. Let me take it into running notes. Yeah, yes, sir. Next one is columns. Next one is Yeah, df dot info. Hold on. Let us maintain separation. Yeah, good. Now we'll see. Previously, info method. Previously, what exactly? Info method. Now let us just try to call this one. Let us take a gender. So total how many values? 891. Let me print the data frame once. Yeah, let me just try to print the data frame once. Now here onwards, slowly by slowly, let us just try to understand. Survived. Next one is P class. Now let us focus on the gender column. Over that one, first of all, categorical data. What data? I mean to say that string data. There are two values. What are values? First one is either male or female. Let us see. I just wanted to get unique values. I just wanted to get what exactly? How to get unique values, I hope you already know this one. What exactly we are doing? Df of sex means we are trying to accessing this name of the column and we are calling a method. What is that method? Unique method. What is that method? We'll see. Now just try to come here. Df dot and that sorry sir, df of, and you can just try to provide the gender actually, and here you can provide unique. What you can provide? Unique. Now first of all, let us just try to get only this data. Can somebody talk with me? What we'll get actually? Very good. Series. You should have an idea. The two total, how many values, sir? 899, 891 values. Now over this one, let us just try to apply unique. Sir, unique functional method belongs to series, not a data frame. Good. Catch that point. Unique is a method belongs to series, but not a data frame. But not what exactly? Data frame. This I already covered actually. Now observe this one. Interesting. Only there are two values. First one is a male, next one is female, and it is returning array. It is returning what exactly? Array value. What is a array? Means something like a data structure only. During numpy I can cover. During numpy I can cover. Tim, are you clear till now? Good. This one you can rename. I hope you know how to rename actually. Yeah. Let's move on to the next one. Data analysis. Now here onwards game will start actually. Very interesting. Look at this one. Now exactly, if anyone don't know Titanic ship movie actually, please understand this one. Sir, here what we are calling, we are calling a method name is called as a describe. We are calling a method name is called as a describe. I already told many times, let us understand this method, during math discussion actually. But today I just wanted to apply few things. Please focus. Df dot describe method I'm calling. Understand this one. Yeah, this is the result, right? You called a method name is called as a describe. Where are all numerical data is available in the given data frame? Over that one, it is returning some value. What is the value? Survived column, P class, is, SIBSP, Parch. Next one is fair actually. Let us focus on A's and FAIR. FARE. Fair means, so tell me, cost, ticket price. What is that one? Ticket price actually. Do you think dollars or rupees? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now let us just try to move on. Sir, now let us have a small discussion. Fair. Sir, what is the minimum value? Any idea? Minimum value is what exactly? Means there is a ship, that to Titanic ship, very big ship actually. Minimum ticket price is the zero. How come it is possible? Come again? Come again? Lottery. Good analysis. Nice analysis. We can, sir, throw your stone on me actually. Let me hit my head actually. Tell me. Come again. Working, very good. Working members. One of ours are to lottery actually. Come on, think. This is the data analysis. In Titan, you have seen only hero and heroine. I know that one. I'm sorry for getting. Sir, this is the analysis. What is that one? Very good. That's exactly. Best example, sir. A newly born baby. That baby also travel. You know what? Small babies also they traveled actually less than 1 year, less than 5 months actually. Do you think they will charge? They will hit the admin actually. Why they will charge? Am I right or not? Good. That is one analysis. We'll see. Next one. 891. This is the minimum we understand. What is the maximum? 512 pounds, sir. Means the very huge. They paid huge money to get the ticket actually. You need to understand some big shot entered into the ship actually. That point you need to understand. Something like a Anil Ambani, something like these guys actually. Are you clear? Good. Next one. Even just try to understand this age column. Over this age column, can somebody talk with me? Minimum 0.4 means there is a person, that person age is a 0.4 months actually. I mean to say that 4 months, a small baby, a kind of some small babies actually. Next one is what is the maximum age? Maximum age means, so such a elders also they entered actually. Very nice analysis. I hope you understand. Let us move on with the discussion. Now, 1 minute. Online team. Small baby. Yeah, very good. Reservation for children. Handy. Yeah, good analysis, Divya. Captain actually. Good. Nice analysis. Now understand this one. From the data, maximum price and a passenger paid for the ticket in this data set as a 512 British pounds, and minimum price is what exactly? 0. There is a missing data for what exactly? A's column. Now observe here. Here 891, 891, 891, 891, 891. But there is a column. Column name is A is having what exactly? Missing. That is one analysis. Lot of analysis we can find out. The mean age is 29. Hold on. So let us take a age column and mean. Sir, on an average, what is the middle age people, 29, a kind of in between 25 to 30, 29, 29 age people also is available. What is the on an average ticket price? 32 pounds. If any person entered, seems to be normal person, and he is supposed to pay minimum 32 pounds actually. Okay, good. That is a one analysis. You can do that one actually. And 29, and the oldest passenger data has 80 years old, while the youngest was 42, 0.42 years, means above 5 months actually. Interesting. Next one, bar plot. Next one is what exactly? We'll see. In matplotlib also we have in sorry man. In matplotlib also I have explained about the bar plot. In Seaborn also, let me show you bar plot. Understand the diagram. Let us understand the diagram sometime and we will see. This is the bar plot diagram. What diagram? Bar plot diagram. Yeah, there are two columns actually. The first column name is a gender. Over x-axis we are plotting. Second column name is a age. Second column name is what exactly? Age actually. Now, gender, there are only two categories. First one is a male. Second one, female actually. At least thank God here male came first actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Sorry for getting. Age 0 to what is this one actually? 30. Sir, bar plot is a graph. What it will plot, on an average, male people, what is their average age? It will try to plot what is their what exactly average age actually. Even here, the average age for the male category almost 31 or 32, and the female is what exactly 27 or 28. Now let me tell you. But according to the describe method, do let me know what is the maximum age actually. Talk with me. What is the maximum age, sir? 80. You know what? In Seaborn, there is a one line. This line indicates to data not ends here actually. Still, we do have a data. That line indicates to we do have a data. But bar plot here it is pointing like a minimum average age. Minimum age, average age. What is the male category average age, sir? Talk with me. 30. Female? 27 or 28, something like that actually. This line indicates in Telugu, seems to be, can I say, some ice pull antam kada? Exactly something like that, sir. Now let us just try to plot this kind of analysis. Let me drink water. A bar plot shows mean value of every value in categorical data. What data? Categorical data. We'll see. Sir, even Seaborn library, depending upon, so Matplotlib library, and to get the visualization, to get what exactly, sir? Visualization. Now we'll see. Do I need to explain about this library? Not required. Ignore warnings actually. Am I right? Now let us just try to copy paste this one. Come on, come on. Please observe this one. First one is matplotlib.pyplot. Next one is a seaborn actually. Create a data frame. df equals to sns dot load underscore data set or data sets. Data set. And here what we need to provide? Titanic. Sir, one small suggestion. Let me tell you. Whenever you are executing this example, this means all SNS example, only Titanic dataset, internet connection is required. What is required actually? Net connection is required. Why? Because the seaborn library will get the data from cluster. It will store all these files in some location actually. Okay, good. Now, yeah, and here, get ready. We are going to call, let me ask you a question. Is it functional method? One more time. Is it functional method? Function. SNS dot bar plot. What is this one? Bar plot of on x-axis, y-axis. Let me tell you. On x-axis, let me take a column. Column name is a gender or sex column actually. You know what? This column name take from this data frame. This column name take from this data frame actually. Did you understand? That's the syntax, right? Now let us just try to take this one. Sir, my favorite syntax. What is the syntax actually? Keyword argument, right? You know, x equals to x value, x column, y column. I mean to say that capture this x column and y column from this data. What is the data here actually? Data frame. Data frame. Done. Almost we are very near. Now plt dot show. What is that one? Plt dot show. Plt dot show actually. Now let us just try to run this example. Are you ready? Can I run? Version change, sir. This material I have prepared a long back actually. Version change. That's what here. But here we are getting all or what exactly? Blue line. Good. Can somebody talk with me? This line indicates to still data existing. Still data, what exactly? Existing. Keep in mind that. Good. Now let's move on. The plot clearly explains the average age of all male passenger is above 30, while average age of female passenger is what exactly, sir? 25, in between 25 and 30 actually. Now get the count of number of survivors. Interesting. Right. Now let me print the data frame. Let me just try to print the data frame. Print off df, get ready. Interesting scenario we are going to work out actually. Let me, if you get like a jig-jog, do one thing. Like your command prompt is not that much accurate to display the output. Don't maximize the command prompt. Let us run this one. Good. Yeah, we are getting a result. All right. What is the first column name? Talk with me, sir. Zero means, yeah, person is, don't use that word, sir. Dead word actually. It's okay. Not survived. One means survived actually. Zero means not survived. One means what exactly? Survived. Right. Good. Now, I just wanted to know how many zeros would you have? I just wanted to know how many ones would you have? Then that's one analysis. That's what exactly? One analysis. You will understand how to do this one. It's a look at this. Look at this diagram. Zero. How many would you have, sir? 549. And one. How many would you have? 342. 342. Even recently, on an average, 6 months back, I guess actually, there was a team. They tried to reach Titanic actually. Even gone case. Yeah. Am I right or not? Yeah. Yeah. df equals to maybe one data set will come regarding that one also. Wait for that one. df dot survived. We are taking that column. We are taking that column. And over that column, we are calling a method. What is that method name? Value underscore counts. Functional method. Method belongs to. Now, did you understand the motto? Data analysis or data visualization, data science means completely accessing about the methods, sir. Accessing about methods. What exactly? Methods. In few scenarios, functions we are calling. In few scenarios, methods we are calling. Now observe here. We are trying to accessing this. Please, you guys need to practice this one. We will get this column name. See, we try to access this one, and yes, we got it this one, and we got a series actually. What is this one? I just wanted to know what is the zero count and what is the one count actually. Simple, boss. Then dot value underscore count. That's it. Counter counts. Counts. That method we can call actually. This is seriously Superman. Seriously super. Wow. Very good actually. Did you understand? I mean to say that. Now zero, how many? Next one is what exactly? No, one zero. Total how many, sir? 549. One how many? 342. Mean 549 people not survived, boss. And now let us take this one. And how many males and how many females we'll see. Now we'll see actually. Yeah, sir, talk with me. How many? 577. Next one is female. How many? 314. Did you understand? Like this. Value underscore count is giving a clarity. Let us take where are all unique values would we have? Where are all what exactly? That unique values count we are getting. What we are getting, sir? Unique values count. Are you with me? Good. Take this one. And here you can apply. And here you can apply. And here survived. Let me ask you a question today. Control Z. Good. What is output actually? We'll get a kind of zeros how many, ones how many actually. Let me ask a question. What is output? Very nice. We'll see. Key error attribute. We'll see. What is error? Key error. Means if column name is not, you should know. I got a nice response from very first initially. Let me talk with online team. Online, are you following actually? Good. Now, can somebody tell me? Today we are going to playing with one data set. That data set name is called as a public data set. What data set? One of the data set name is called as a Titanic. And second data set name is a Iris actually. What is the second data set? Iris. Iris data set also would we have. Alcohol data set also we have, sir. What data set? Trust me, alcohol. Either the alcohol is really taste or not. There is a data set actually. Are you getting or not? Yeah, we'll see. Data science is using in everywhere, sir. Not only this, would you have? Oh, sorry, this voice is. I should not select this one. Online team, is my screen is clear? Can I get a response? Is my screen is clear? Good. Mm. Now, please observe this one. Please observe this one. Previously, we got a kind of some numbers data. What is a zero count and what is a one count actually? Can I visualize? We can visualize, sir. We can visualize. Survived. You know, we are taking on x-axis and count. What is this one? Count. Automatically, it is coming on y-axis. Zero on an average 500 plus actually. One on an average how much? How much actually? 300 plus. Am I right? Can we do this one? We can do. First of all, hold on. Control Z. Run this one. This visualization we are applying. We are applying visualization over this one actually. We'll see. Now, simple, sir. SNS dot count plot. What is that one? Count plot. There is a function. That function you need to call actually. And x equals to on x-axis. I'm planning to take this column name. What is the column name? Survived. Sir, here why you no need to specify. By default, y should be a count actually. Y should be what exactly? Count. Take this name of the column from this data frame. Take this name of the column from this data frame actually. Good. Let me just try to take this example and run over this one. Let me tell you. Still, if you wanted to plot the diagram like this, you have to call show function. Show where is available, matplotlib is available. That's what we need to import this one. Okay. Run this one. Yeah, we got a diagram. The diagram will be, sir, can I say on an average, more people not survived? Am I right or not, sir? More people not survived actually. Good. Now let's move on. Plot the survival rate of each class. Very, very important. Please understand this one. And very interesting. Please look at this one. Read everyone. Plot the survival rate of each class. First of all, how many classes? Three classes. First class, second class, third class. Now we are going to see, previously this is overall, like a first class, second class, third class, mixed actually. Now let us see individual, like a first class, how many, what is the survival rate? Second class, what is the survival rate? Third class, what is the survival rate? Tell me, hero in which class? Hero. Now observe this one. Keep in mind that actually, now look at the output, sir. Look at output actually. Now you can easy to understand. Sir, if any person entered into the first class, there are more chances to survive. There are what exactly? More chances to survive. I mean to say that their fate was written in what exactly? Class actually. I hate to say this word fate. These are all I won't believe actually, but just I'm telling. If any person entered into the first class, there are 65% of the chances he can survive. 65% of the chances he can survive. Next one is second class, 50%. Hey, sorry man, not 65. This is on an average 60 plus chances actually. And second class, do let me know, on an average 47% survival rate. And third class is what exactly? Just 25%, sir. That's what our hero did in survived man. Did you understand? That's the reason behind of that one. The first reason is, though he entered into the third class actually, yeah, he didn't survive. Now let us do this kind of analysis. Now what exactly we are doing, a little over 60% of the passengers in first class survived. Less than 30% of passengers in third class, what exactly, sir? Survived actually. That means less than half of the passengers in the third class, what exactly, sir? Survived compared to the passengers in first class actually. Good. Now bar plot x equals to class we are taking. What we are taking? Class we are taking. Y equals to survived. What is that one? Survived we are taking actually. Get ready to understand. Intentionally I have taken this kind of example. Why? Because you might aware about the Titanic data set actually, Titanic movie. So you can easy to understand. Even if you don't know, if you didn't watch also, no worries, sir. Take this one. Yeah, you understand, I guess. Now this is called as a, read the heading, sir. Plot the survival rate of. Now you understand clearly. First class people survived. Third class people not much survived actually. Take the code and you can just try to keep it out here actually. Now the next scenario is real interesting. Please focus. Read the heading. Let's understand survival rate by what exactly? Gender and class. Okay. Survival rate by gender and class actually. Previously, survival rate only class we are pointing, only class we are pointing. Now survival rate in your class, and next one is what exactly, sir? Gender also. Class and next one is what exactly? Gender. We'll see. We'll see. Now, just try to look at the output first actually. You will understand. Look at the output first. It's cool. Now here there are total, I would like to say column number 1, column number 2, column number 3. Index name I have taken like a class actually. You can take it out. First class, second class, third class. Cool. And this index will be class. Yeah, I mean to say that this is the row actually. Row name I am taking. Next one, gender. How many genders are? Two. First one is a female. Next one. Why female came first actually? Any idea? Exactly. Sorting according to the alphabetical order actually. Good. Now, please focus. Sir, in the Titanic data set, these results explain you. Boss, from the first class, female survival rate is 0.96. Means 96% of the guys survived actually. Here also, ladies domination, sir. What is that one actually? I'm sorry for it. Am I right or not? Yeah, 96%. Assuming that there is a madam, she's holding handbag actually, and she's coming, entering into the ticket counter. If she have taken which ticket actually? Gone case. She survived actually. Did you understand? Yeah, good. Next one will be from the first class. Do talk with me. Do let me know. Male category, 36%. Only the chances will be just a 36% actually. Any idea? Do you know the reason why they have given more priority for the girls actually, ladies? Any idea? Sir, only the motto will be you go anywhere, and ladies see kind of some mothers actually. They will give high priority for them. Without them, there is no generation. Am I right or not? That's the motto. They will give a high respect and high overview. Good, 96%. And second class also, here also female category, 92% survival rate. Male category, 15 class, sir. Third category, yeah, talk with me. 50% survival rate for the female category. Male category, here our jog. Where jog, sir? 30. Sir, gone case. That's what, there is no chance actually. Here our hero, here is the heroine. That's what she survived actually. Good. Now this kind of analysis, how to do? Let me show you. Online team, are you following? Harish, sure. Who can execute? But why I have taken Iris data set? Why? Because algorithms you can understand very easily, but based on that, I can explain few examples from the Kaggle directly, real-time example. Good. All right. Let's move on. Yeah. Okay. I didn't execute this example, right? Did you understand? From the pivot table, first off, let's execute this one. Like this one. Importing the libraries. Next one is take the data set. Yeah. Get the data frame. I'm gonna print this one. If anyone is unable to execute SNS, Seaborn library examples in your laptop, use Google Colab. Use what exactly? Google Colab, please. I hope you know. Don't ask what is Google Colab, sir. We already done that practice actually. All right. Just try to see. Yeah, good. Now let us understand. Result equals to df dot get ready. Do you think functional method? Talk with me. One more chance I will give. Df dot what exactly? Functional. How can you say? Yeah, we are calling with object actually. Simple. There is a method. That method name is a pivot table, also called as a pivoting actually. Anything pivoting, anything we can say. If anyone knows Excel, you can easy to understand. It is very easy, not that much difficult. Now survived we are giving. What we are giving? Survived. We are giving. Next one, index equals to sex. A kind of some gender column we are giving. I mean to say that, hello boss, take a index, and here I need to plot these are all values. In gender column, what are all values would you have? What are all values would you have, sir? Female, male. Next one, columns equals to class. Columns equals to what exactly? Class. I mean to say that I need a name of the columns will be first, second, third. The first one, it is talking about the column names. First row seems to be, this is the first row. It is talking about column names. And second one will be index name. What is this one, sir? If you want, you can keep the index by like this: pivot underscore table index equals to gender. And I just wanted to, pivoting based on what exactly survived. Let us just try to get this one. Hey, come on, sir. This is something like a group by actually. What is that one? You can do many ways. Sorry. All right. Let's move on. Just try to check it out. This is the final result, sir. This is the final result. Hope you understand. Am I right? Good. Now, if you want, we can walk through small theory here actually. From this table, we can see that the female in first class had a survival rate of 96%. Meaning that majority of them survived. Majority. Assuming that there are 100 people. How many people actually? 96 members survived. Assuming that. Males in the third class had the lowest survival rate, about what exactly? 13%. Meaning the majority of them not survived. Assuming that in a third class, 100 members are available. That to all males actually. How many survive? 13 members survived actually. Why they're unable to survive all? Any idea? Life jackets are very less, and based on that they have taken a decision. So to whom we need to give a high category, to whom we need to give, we no need to give a sub category actually. Sir, can somebody talk with me? Previously, can somebody help me? Survival rate based on class. Talk with me. Survival rate based on class. Next scenario, survival rate based on class and based on gender. Now the next scenario will be survival rate by gender, age and class. Interesting. Talk with me one more time. Survival rate based on gender, age and class. Such a nice decision. The captain he have taken really crucial role actually. Now the next scenario will be, we are going to see class, gender and third more column, one more column we are adding. What is that one? Yes, interesting. That one also matter, right? Am I right or not, sir? Assuming that there is a youngster, something like a 27 years of age, he didn't get married. There is a one more person, he already married, almost to 80 years of old actually. Definitely the survival rate fees for whom actually? Youngster. Am I right? Yeah, good. Now we'll see. Now, first of all, look at this one. Look at the output actually. Look at the output. Yeah, come and talk with me. Class, all name of the columns, first, second, third. And this is the gender and a female, male. Age category. Age we have splitted. We have splitted 0 to 18th one category. 18 to 80 is another category. If you want, you can split your according to your interest also. Good. Male category 0 to 18. Female category, I'm sorry, sir. Male, there are two categories: 0 to 18, 18 to 80 actually. Did you understand? If you want, you can split according to your order also. 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, up to you. Now here, this report is seriously amazing, man. 0 to 8. First of all, look at this one. First class. Okay. First class. Now, first class gender. 0 to 18. Sir, what is the ratio? 90% of the ratio. And 18 to 80, what is the ratio? 97. Good. 80 to 18 to 80 actually. Next one, male category. 0 to 18. What is the ratio? 80%. We thought like few people are survived from the first class, and 18 to 80, 37% rate actually. Just a 37% rate. Second class, sir, 100%. What is that one? 100% actually. And 0 to 18. So assuming that who are all entered into the second class based on age. If anyone is in between 0 to 18, 100% accurate rate, they survived actually. 18 to 80, 90% of the chances are there. I'm sorry, 90% survived. There is no topic about the chances. Male category 60% and 0 to 18. So talk with me. 18 to 80, 0 to 07, not even 7% actually. Yeah, something like a 7% also we can say. Now please observe here. Third class female category, male category, and 0 to 18 survival rate, 18 to 80, 0 to 18, 18 to 80. Did you understand? This is something like digging the data more and more. That what you need to understand actually. This is seriously nice analysis. I hope you're getting. Can I get a response? Good. To get this kind of results, what we need to do, import the libraries, matplotlib, seaborn, pandas. I will show you why pandas here actually. Different ages. Now here we are cutting the ages. Am I right? Don't think like, can I say off is the tuple, off is the list actually. No such type of topic, but output displays something like that. Am I right or not? Good. We can cut the ages like this. PD dot. There is a function. Function name is called as a cut. What is the function name? Cutoff. Df of A's. I just wanted to split the data. I just wanted to split this A's. In between 0 to 18 is one category. 18 to 80 is another category. We can split the data like that. Then if you want, we can print this one. Pivot table. Survived. Gender, comma, different age. Previously, we have taken only what exactly, sir? Gender. But now we are taking what exactly? Gender and age splitting data. Right. Please focus. Now, let us run this. Yeah, I hope you got it. If you want, you can split the age. More splits also. That is still fine. Here you can apply one more split. What is that split? 18 to 80 more people, right? You can split 18 to 40 and 40 to 80. Then you can see why here more people actually. Did you understand? Sir, understanding the data. Understanding what exactly? Data. That's what you need to understand. That's you need to R&D. How to do that? Sirisha, is it compulsory we need to use warnings library? If you are not using, I hope during project I explain actually, we will get some kind of some warnings. We will get it. What is that one? I don't want to see warnings, means you have to use that one, Sirisha. Hope you understand. Why age index has a parenthesis and a square sir, this is the syntax, sir. Ashu, I'm sorry, what is the name? Rathod, sir, this is the syntax. Okay, let's move on to the discussion. Next one, distribution plot actually. Good. Please understand this. Interesting. Please understand this. X-axis. Over x-axis, we have taken a one column. What is that column name? Fare means. Talk with me. Ticket cost. Like so and so pounds they paid actually. This is something like a count. 0 to 50. These many members. 50 to 100. 150. 200. 250. 300. 350. Means we have taken a, this is what exactly 0 to 100 pounds, 100 to 200 pounds, 300, 400, 500 pounds actually. Can somebody tell me, and which tickets are more? Talk with me. 0 to, why? Any reason? Exactly. Sir, let us take a in Indian railway system. I wanted to travel from what exactly mm, from Hyderabad to Vijayawada. Hyderabad to what exactly? Do you think all bogies are first class actually? No. Do you think all bogies are second class actually? No, at least. Let us take it. There are on an average 20 boxes. How many boxes? 20 boxes are 20 bogies actually. First class, second class, third class, maybe 1 to 5. Maybe what exactly? Remaining all 15, what exactly? Normal class. They will keep like that actually. Did you understand? From this data, you need to understand, third class people, I mean to say that, there are more passengers in between 0 to $50. I'm sorry, 0 to 50 pounds actually. Did you understand? That point you need to understand. On an average, how many sir? I can say 300 plus members. How many members? 300 plus members. Somewhere in the stars in the sky, there is a one small star actually. I don't know either he survived or not. Now, how much money he spent? 500. Even describe method I have explained. Fair. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, good. Now, distribution plot. This is called as a distribution plot. To create a distribution plot, we need to call distplot function. This will create histogram distribution of data set for a column. We can plot the price of ticket for every passenger. Read everyone. We can plot price of ticket for every passenger. We'll see. Now take this one. Take copy actually. Sir, sometimes switch on AC, sir. Sometime. Look at my screen, everyone. I will tell you what is this KDE. Good. Yeah. If you are deleting this one, what exactly happened, for that diagram we are getting right, over the diagram, a kind of line, normalization actually. Let me show you. If you don't know that normalization, you can ignore as of now. During math, I can cover. All right. We'll see. Yeah, sir, are you able to see a kind of some line actually? Sir, this line indicates to, hey, hello Daniel, here more data from here to here it was started, and here is a more data actually, more data. And this is kind of, it is still touching this line actually. I don't want to display this kind of line. Then you can just try to add one extra keyword argument. That keyword argument name is a KDE equals to false. Simple. KDE equals to false. Full form need to cross verify. Not much important, but even I'm not sure. Sorry. You can Google small things. It's a right time. You can cross verify. Yeah, just try to see. There is no kind of line. But look at this one. By looking at this data, you need to understand very clearly. Here, there are more passengers. On an average, there are more data lies here actually. Keep in mind that. Good. Next one is box plot. Next one is what exactly? Box plot. Box plot. I hope we already told this, we can understand later. But look at this diagram. Look at this diagram. So this diagram explains you. There are on gender we are taking on x-axis, and y-axis what column you are taking? Is column we are taking. Now look at this one. Let us talk about the male and female category. In a male, I hope we already told, box plot talk about many stuff actually. Minimum value, maximum value, Q2, Q3, I'm sorry, Q1, Q2, Q3. One more time, Q1, Q2, Q3. Last week I told actually that you need to understand. But anyway, this I can explain box plot during math actually. Can somebody talk with me? This dot dot indicates to outlier. A kind of we have a still some more data actually. Good. Under male category, from the minimum to maximum we are plotting. That too you need to understand one more point, sir. Where this box is available, a kind of some expansion, there more data. There what exactly? You need to understand, in between to 20 to 40 age people are more actually. Yeah, exactly, we can say in between 20 to 40 years, in between the 20 to 40 years, that people are also the youngsters entered into the Titanic data sheet. Male category and what exactly? Female category. Did you understand? Good. The box plot is used to display the distribution of categorical data in the form of quartiles Q1, Q2, Q3. The center of box shows the median value Q1, Q2, and Q3, sir. 1, Q3 I need to delete. The center of box shows what exactly? Median value. Now let's plot the box plot that displays the distribution of agree. So damn sure interview question. Without box plot, there is no interview. But anyway, this if you ignore still now, I can explain during math actually. Yeah, kindly please observe this one. It's a very simple. We need to call a function. Function name is a box plot, and x equals to gender and y equals to age, data equals to df. All these examples you have to practice at any cost. You should not skip actually. Minimum each example, minimum 5 times. Minimum 5 times. How many times? 5 times. You need to practice. Then only you will understand. Take this one. Utilize our documents a kind of references actually. And if you want, you can create your own data set and you can just try to work with that one too. Yeah, come on, sir. These are all. I hope you understand. Male category. Next one is a female category. This where are all dot is available, a kind of circle. Still would have a data. What data? That too we have seen. Whenever I'm explaining about the describe method, on average 80 years of people are available. From this one you can understand he's the male category. What category? That point you can understand also. Kind of some analysis you can tell very confidently. The one who have a more age, he belongs to male category but not female. Female, when they stopped, sir, can somebody 70 to 60, on an average 65 actually. Take this one. Move on to the next one. Yeah, you can ignore this one. Creating a box plot with survived actually. Sir, look at this one. Previously, male and female, kind of some age we have taken. Now here we are taking male. There are, I mean, male survived and not survived. Survived and what exactly, sir? Not survived. Female survived and what exactly? Not survived. We can apply kind of some colors also. Kindly please walk through how to apply colors, but I'm not sure either we are going to get a color division here or not. Color, some patlet actually. We'll see. We'll see. Creating a box plot with survived. Creating a box plot with what exactly? Survived. Because of this one, HUE, and it was added the survival rate also. Let us just try to apply this one. Am I going speed actually? No, right? We're almost very near to close. 1824. If you feel speed, don't complain to management, sir. Talk with me. Oh, we got a color automatically. Maybe that because of that hue parameter. It is okay, cool. Let me ask a question first of all. Zero means not survey. One means, yeah, look at the data. This is the normal data. This what exactly? Normal data. And from what is the normal data talking about? 22 to on an average 39 people. This is the mean average. What average? Mean. On an average here more people are available. Even who got more survived, the years who are having 18. I would like to say the years who are having what exactly, sir? 18 to talk with me 38. These people are survived more, man. These people are survived what exactly? More. It's a kind of visualization. And this is completely reverse, boss. This is completely reverse actually. Oh, good analysis, boss. Good analysis. Bhupesh is telling, sir, our hero survived, our grandfather survived actually. Did you notice that? Exactly. Yeah, yeah, not survived. This color indicates what exactly? Not survived. Sir, don't confuse me. Let me repeat one more time. Let me scratch my head actually. Come on. Sorry. This color indicates to survived. This color indicates to not survived. Please. I'm closing this one actually. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Fine then. Let us. I'm feeling I'm very speed, over speed. Before you are coming for tomorrow's session, kindly please do this one practice one more time. While in plot, it's a very simple, same thing like this diagram only, but the diagrammatic representation is quite different. This is something like a bar plot only. We are not using, sir. This we are not using. It's called as a violin plot. What is this one? Violin plot actually. Simple, just a function name we need to call here. We are not using this one. If you want, you can just try to work with this one. And the next example will be survived or not survived. Like this also we can draw. Like this also we can draw. And word cloud. This one can I cover tomorrow? Hmm? Why? Because important. Fresh mind is required actually. Important. This kind of diagram you can get it out. There are two more examples, I guess. Sunburst plot. Once I done two more examples, let me explain tomorrow agenda. Tomorrow, once I started the session 5:30, within 30 minutes, we are going to close this data visualization. Within how many? 30 minutes. Then immediately we are entering into the NumPy library. What library? NumPy library. And NumPy, it takes on an average, maybe maximum 2 sessions. Minimum we will see. Maximum 2 sessions. Once the NumPy is done, the next topic is a math. What is the topic, sir? Very easy. Very easy, right? So kind of you no need to do more hands-on over math. We do have a nice material actually. Yeah, let me close the today's session and let me upload the material. Early closing, I know, because of many examples we covered today. I request you guys need to walk through the previous session once. Also upload Saturday running notes. Oh, I didn't upload it. Let me upload, sir, then. And data visualization fundamentals you guys need to walk through the document also, and let me upload. We have a lot of time. Let me close this pending documents upload. 5:30. Pot number 2 and pot number 1. Let me upload the previous running notes here. In 90 5:30, right? Running notes. 59th previous running notes. Yeah, good. And here I hope I already uploaded the material. Let me upload today running notes. Sir, if I edit, you will not get the mail. If you guys are testing, I'm not getting a mail. If I edit, you will not get a mail, boss. Now come here, materials. Let me upload a material. Data visualization fundamentals. You guys need to walk through this. Data visualization fundamentals. Did you upload it sales 11? This is assignment you guys need to walk through. Okay. All right. Fine. Now let me give an agenda. Let me show you the material. The next topic name is a NumPy. It takes very less time. I will tell you. What is the purpose of learning NumPy. Then we will entering into math actually. Next one is the feature engineering. Next one is the machine learning. This one is the core topic, sir. In a data science, best example, let me tell you. Assuming that one of your friend he is telling, I'm a data scientist. If you don't know NumPy, that is okay, acceptable. If you don't know, if he is telling like I don't know math, I'm a data scientist. Yes, he is a data scientist. And if he is telling I don't know data visualization, I'm a data scientist. That is okay. But if he says I don't know machine learning, then I'm a data scientist, means he's throwing biscuit actually. He's throwing what exactly? Sir, data science means machine learning is a core topic. Like a human being, how the brain, heart, very important organ, same thing like that, machine learning is the core topic. If you wanted to become the data scientist, three topics are very very important. Damn sure there is no optional actually. The first one is a Python, next one pandas, third one ML, that's it. And remaining all kind of some scrap actually. Deep learning, NLP, these are all I'm going to cover, those things also, computer vision, these are all. Did you understand? Right. So fine, then we done for today's session. And kindly please practice, and you can come up with tomorrow more practice actually. Thank you. Thank you. Fine then.